Hello and welcome to Raza Learning Hub. In this video, we can find the value of this expression, which is 4 divided by 1 upon 4 times 4. If you are genius, then stop the video and before watching the video, comment of this answer. So we can start this question. So we should all know about KCF, where K stand for keep, C stand for change, and F stand for flip. We can write this expression as 4 times 4 times 4. Okay guys, now we can follow this from left to right. So 4 times 4, which is equal to 16 times 4. 16 times 4, guys, finally equal to 64. This is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your question, and kindly subscribe my channel for more this type of math puzzle